We spent the weekend in Finnish nature. You might see a neighbor if you're lucky, and the nearest kiosk is in the next village. The only things we heard were birds, the ripple of water, the wind, and few persistent mosquitoes. We deleted all our social media apps, didn't want to scroll, just wanted to be here. There was nowhere to be, no plans, no deadlines, almost like no time. We took the boat out and drifted across the lake, soaking in the beauty all around us. We cooked simple, good food and ate well. Belly full, heart full. The cottage had no running water, so every evening we'd heat up the sauna, carry water from the lake, and wash the day off.